Now look at the second question of the second main exercise 4.3. So kx into x minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 0. So now so far what we have seen, the given quadratic equations were in the standard form already, right? But here if you could see, it is not in the standard form. So what we have to do, we have to frame it into the standard form, meaning when I bring this kx inside the brackets, okay, when I multiply, it becomes kx into x is kx square minus as it is, and kx into 2 is 2kx plus 6 as it is equal to 0. So now if you could notice that it is in the form of standard quadratic equation ax square minus bx plus c equal to 0. Right? So now a value is k because coefficient of x square is k. Okay. B is equal to minus 2k. It is because the coefficient of x here is minus 2k. And c is the constant 6. Right. Now substituting the values in b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Why have we equated to 0? Because in the question it is already given that the discriminant are, I'm sorry, it is because in the question it is already given the roots are real and equal, right? So now substituting, b is equal to minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a is k and c is 6 is equal to 0. So minus 2k the whole square gives me 4k square minus 4 into 6 is 24 and 24 into k, so 24k equal to 0. So now here if you could see 4k is common. Now taking out 4k, we are remained with k minus 6 inside the bracket because 4k into k gives me 4k square minus 4k into 6 is 24k, right? So now when I equate 4k to 0 and k minus 6 is equal to 0, so what do we get? We get k is equal to 0 and k is equal to 6.